Ladies and gentlemen, the time has come for me to replace the wheels on my Travel Pro Crew 5 suitcase. I've been dragging this thing through the airport on no working wheels for way too long now, so I finally broke down and purchased these two wheels from flightattendantshop.com, something like that. Anyways, should be pretty simple. There's instructions on the back. Unscrew, put in, rescrew. We'll just see how easy it actually turns out to be. Helping me today is my wonderful assistant Aria. Say hi, Aria. Good job. Are you ready to put back together Daddy's suitcase? Okay, step one. Unscrew the bad wheel. So in theory, it should just unscrew. In theory. And we know it will, because we've done this part before. This is the wheel that fell off. This is what the bolt looks like, which is beautiful. And then you just pop this guy right out, and you'll see that the bearing is completely screwed. So we're going to set this off to the side in case these wheels don't work, because we're going to want to be able to put it back on if it doesn't. Next step, you're going to take your brand new wheels. Uh-oh, what did you do? Here. There you go. There's a screwdriver. Next step, take your brand new wheels, pop them out of the package. Okay. You can see these wheels are nice and shiny, and the bearing has a big piece in the middle that means it doesn't swish back and forth like that. So, along with that, got a screw and a little washer. And you just put the washer on the screw. Thank you, Aria. And then we're going to pop it in, and we're going to see what that does. Can I see? Thank you. So you're going to have to try to match this up with the hole on the other side, which in my experience has taken a couple tries to get right. There it is. After a little bit of wiggling, we're going to screw this back in. Thank you for holding that, Aria. I'm going to need this just out of your hands for a second. And now we have a new wheel. It doesn't spin as well as the other one because this one actually has a bearing in it. Next wheel. Okay, time to flip it. Okay, so this wheel is actually somewhat okay. We're going to do our best to replace this one with ease as well. Might have to do a little bag acrobatics. There's our screw. Comes right out as promised. I thought. This is a very dirty screw. There we go. Got that. We'll need to get that little washer out of there. There we go. There's the other screw, which actually looks like it has been, it is the same color as the other one. So we know that other one had been worn to hell. So we pop this guy out. Look at that. That's a beautiful wheel right there. Aside from having a little bit of wear on the bottom, which you can see right there, it's a little bit more flat. Let's do a side by side on it. So you can see this wheel is nice and pointed at the curve. I don't know if you can see that. Versus this wheel. And the bearing in this wheel is a little bit loose. So we know this one was going to go out eventually. Pop this guy in. Are you ready? Okay. Here we go. Maybe. This one's a little bit more snug. And we'll put it right there. Can I see the screw, please? Or the screwdriver? You're like, Dad, you're not ready for it. I was ready for it. Okay. There goes screw number 2. Actually, I need to fish, so you can hold the screwdriver. I think we might have actually gotten close to the first try. There it is. Screwdriver, please. Here we go. It's all fixed. So that's how you replace the wheels on your Travel Pro. Nice, easy, and simple like that. So it's not the end of the world. Don't buy a $120 suitcase when you could buy $20 of wheels. And have a shitty spare. I'm keeping this. So long.